anemoia. Convert a single caress into a century of song. Bioluminescence. A poem exists on your face. You lift your gaze to devour everything in front of you. A gentleness descends. It reminds you we are strangers. I rest my cold forehead on your back. The transition is smooth and absorbs your ink. You laugh at the noise it makes. Now, letters fall into my wide-open jaw. Chewing silence, I show you that I understand. Burying the dark. As I held you, a little animal noise emerged. More of a vibration than a noise. Something shaking within you, that something shaking within me responded to. We cried together, as though in slow motion, in understanding, in friendship. Rain fell on the body we buried that night, a low, insidious metaphor of your tears. We lay on the ground in deep silence, holding hands, trying to get to the bottom of the question. What is it to be human when breathless in the dark, we cannot understand the end? It's enough. It's never enough. That I should find it all inside me. It's enough. It's never enough. That I should think of him in between sentences. That the thin spaces made with code should suffice for breath, for oxygen, for life. That in the in-betweens there are sighs and songs, and around the corner is someone who will steal them. That lights flicker to tell us something. That sadness pools in my eyes and you have to paddle across, taking care not to set things off. It's enough. It's never enough. To know that even in the night we lie in our marriage within arm's reach. The lights aren't on and thoughts drip slowly. Even then, it's enough.